The new model of motorcycle CarPlay MT5008. Main unit. Charger. Back clip. Cables. And the Type-C cable can be used for upgrading. A bracket. Let's briefly introduce this aluminum alloy bracket. This is the back clip that can be fixed to the back of the device. When securing it, make sure this part aligns properly. Then press down. It will be fixed in place like this. This is the charging cable, which can connect with this one. Screw on the screw at the back. This is the power button. This is contact charging. This is reset. This is the speaker. It does not come with a battery inside. It must be charged for use.